Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna talk about a healthy hair challenge for 2023. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, okay? I remember last year, some of you may remember, I said I was gonna do a healthy hair challenge. I failed. I started off real strong. Like I mapped out all my hairstyles. I was like, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. We're gonna shampoo our hair when we're supposed to. We gonna do this, we gonna do that. We didn't do any of that. I just got my hair trimmed for the second time this year today. And it was 8 months since the last one, so I was like, still got a mullet, but it's okay. I mean, I'm gonna put my hair updates in here, but it's because the middle grows so short. Ignore my face. It's because the middle grows so short and the back grows so long. I'm always gonna have a mullet, so I'm always gonna have a hole. So I didn't cut off as much as I needed to get rid of the hole because I don't care. I cut off an inch all around because that's how much needed to go. I was like, dang, fam, you. Typically, if I take care of my hair, I won't have to cut that much. So I didn't take care of my hair. And it's not that I didn't take care of it. It's just that ideally, I wanted to do most natural hairstyles, like two-strand twists, mini twists, little buns, whatever, natural hair. But I don't be cute. I'll pause because hair want to get in my eye. I don't be cute. So, you know, I didn't re-put down my eyelashes before I started recording. You know what? Look, there's a lot going on. I'm stranded in Arizona for another week. It's late. I forgot I was supposed to record this video. I was about to put my hair in a bun, and I was like, because even though whenever I straighten my hair, it lasts 2 seconds. As soon as I think about sweating, it's gonna sweat out. So I'm about to like put this in a bun. Anywho, too much going on. So y'all just ignore all that. We're here about the healthy hair. So ideally, those are the styles that I would want to wear. Mainly miniature twists. Mini twists, I would love to wear that, but I don't look cute. Like when I have natural hairstyles, because my hair gets fuzzy so quick, I look dusty after 24 hours. And I can't walk around looking like I'm dusty. Also when I wear, because I might walk out in public with my two-strand twist, but I also look like I play for the other team. And in Houston, I don't need nobody getting no ideas. Okay? So I'm just like, so we'll start again this year. So we have our new calendars. It's gonna be much like last time. So if you didn't see the video from last time, basically the goal is to try to get your hair to be the healthiest possible. I personally like to plan. Like I like to plan out my hairstyles, plan out when I want to get my hair trimmed. Plan out when I'm going to get my hair trimmed, how long I want to keep in certain hairstyles, just so I can always be prepared. I don't do nothing extravagant. I don't be taking like random miracle pills. I don't be doing like random hair growth things. I don't do all that internet stuff. I just do normal stuff. So the goal is to be the healthiest possible. Part of that is to take my vitamins. Now, when I take vitamins, I think I said this before, I try to find vitamins that only have the ingredients that that should be, like if it's vitamin A should be an ingredient, not, I don't know, something crazy. The other ingredients should only be what's needed to make the peel, nothing else, nothing crazy. So I do have that. I don't take them. Fun fact, while I was in Arizona, I packed enough vitamins for the time that I would be here. They're all still there because I have not taken a single one. So that's part of my goal, to do better with that. Increase my water intake. I don't know what happened, but in 2018 when I stopped working a 9 to 5, even though I'm back to 9 to 5, when I first stopped working a 9 to 5, I stopped drinking water. It's because I was so busy doing hair that I didn't take any breaks. So I don't drink the water like I'm supposed to. So that's part of my goal. And then to map out my hairstyles. I really want to sew in. To map out my hairstyles, follow up with, take those hairstyles out when they're supposed to be taken out. Shampoo my hair when it's supposed to be shampooed. Don't let my scalp get all nasty. That's the thing about getting a sew in. My scalp won't be nasty after 2 seconds. Just be consistent and do what I'm supposed to do so that my hair can flourish. And that really has a lot to do with your health. You are what you eat. If you're trifling, your hair gonna be trifling. So it's a lot. Okay, let me take that back. It's not a lot. It's just a lot for me to now be consistent with things I've never been consistent with. But that's my business. So 2023 healthy hair goal is to have my hair be the healthiest that it can be by taking care of my body, taking care of my nutrition. So anywho, here are the new calendars. I do have like I did with the other one, like certain little checkpoints. So I have for Sunday the 1st, start hair journey and take picture of hair. I did a few days before the 1st, but I did take the picture of my hair. It has, like the other one from last year, your goal for the month and what you need to do, because you can use the calendar for anything. Clearly, they are available on my website. I have, I think, a length check every 4 months as opposed to every 3 months. So April 1st, I have length check. Take a picture. You have to take pictures because, let me tell it, my hair just looks curly. When it's curly, it just looks the same length. It looks exactly the same every time I wash my hair. But from taking pictures from the very first time versus today, it's like, oh, it did grow, obviously. And even because I've straightened my hair, I first did it in November of 2021. So I've straightened my hair. This would be the 3rd time since November 20. So November, April, and then today, which is December. So obviously I can see that there's been growth. Also, it kind of let me know how much my hair grows in a certain amount of time. Because like today I cut off like 1 inch. I think last time I cut off like maybe 1/2 inch. Might be 1 inch. So let's just say I cut off 2 inches. So I should have 4 inches of length retained. I don't think that's the case, but I'm going to measure the shirt that I use the same shirt every time I straighten my hair. I'm going to check, I'm going to pause. Whenever I don't have no notes, I'll be all over the place, but I'm going to measure the back so I can actually see the inches, because right now it doesn't have like measurements on it. So yeah, April I have a length check. So what would that be, August? So yeah, August I have a length check, and then I think I have one for December, the end of December, just to finish out the year. Yes, December 30th. So was that 4 that I counted out? I counted out January, April, August, December. So yeah, 4 length checks for the year. Take pictures. In a nutshell, determine your goal. Determine how you're going to get to your goal. I think it's important to map out hairstyles. To me, that helps. Mapping out. I used to do this for clients whenever they were trying to like reach your hair goal. I would map out hairstyles for like, I would map out like 6 months worth of hairstyles. Every 3rd month, I think we would do it where we would do a length check basically. So determine your goal, map out your hairstyles, try to be as healthy as possible. I know there's a lot of things out here for hair growth, but like I say in my ebook, linked below if you don't have it yet, a lot of it is genetics and health. So you can put all the stuff you want on it. If you don't take care of your insides, and if your genetics say everybody bald head, you're gonna be bald head. I don't know what to tell you. If you want help with this or you need a consultation, email me. Email will be linked below. If you need help trying to reach your goals. But it's really easy to have healthy hair, I promise you. That's why my ebook is entitled 4 Steps to Healthy Hair, because literally that's all it is. Simple. But yeah, that's it, guys. I think. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Make sure to get your calendar and the ebook if you don't have it. The calendars are only $1. The ebooks are on sale right now for $10. Until I don't know when. It's the end of the year, so we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, make sure you get that, and thank you guys for watching TTYL.